Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of decorative dining room decor designs and tips to decorating creative and attractive dining room decor ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Your dining room is more than just a place to eat, it's a space where you gather with friends and family to share meals and make memories. Dining room decor plays a vital role in setting the tone for this special space. Whether you're looking to create a cozy and intimate atmosphere or a grand and formal setting, there are countless ways to make your dining room truly your own. How can I make my dining room attractive? The first step in creating a beautiful dining room is to choose a color scheme that sets the tone for the space. Neutral colors like beige, gray, or white provide a classic and timeless look, while bolder colors like blue or green can add a pop of personality. Consider adding a feature wall or wallpaper to make the space more interesting and dynamic. Another way to make your dining room more attractive is to add a statement lighting fixture. A chandelier or pendant light can create a focal point in the room and add an element of luxury. Don't forget to add table lamps or wall sconces to provide a warm and welcoming atmosphere. How to decorate dining room on low budget? Decorating your dining room on a low budget can be challenging, but it's possible to create a beautiful space without breaking the bank. Start by shopping for second-hand or vintage furniture pieces that can add character to the room. Consider painting or refinishing the furniture to give it a fresh new look. Adding artwork or framed photos to the walls is an affordable way to add a personal touch to the room. You can also create a DIY centerpiece for the dining table using items you already have, like candles or fresh flowers. What every dining room should have? A well-designed dining room should have a few key elements that make it both functional and beautiful. Every dining room should have a table and chairs that can accommodate all members of the household and any guests. Consider investing in comfortable chairs that encourage lingering and conversation. Other essential elements of a dining room include lighting, storage, and decor. Ensure that the room has adequate lighting for meals, and add storage solutions like a sideboard or buffet to keep dishes and servingware organized. Decor items like artwork, plants, and textiles can add warmth and personality to the space. What are some interesting ideas for a dining room table? The dining room table is the centerpiece of the room and deserves special attention when it comes to decor. Consider adding a tablecloth or runner to add color and texture to the table. You can also create a seasonal centerpiece using items like pumpkins or branches. Another interesting idea is to mix and match chairs around the table. Choose chairs in different styles or colors to create a more eclectic and personalized look. Finally, consider using unique or unexpected materials for the table, like reclaimed wood or marble, to add visual interest. Here these the top 10 best dining room decor ideas. 1. Add a statement lighting fixture, like a chandelier or pendant light, to create a focal point in the room. 2. Use a bold color or pattern for a feature wall to add drama and interest. 3. Invest in comfortable dining chairs that encourage conversation and relaxation. 4. Incorporate plants or fresh flowers to add life and color to the space. 5. Use a mix of textiles, like a patterned rug or upholstered chairs, to add texture to the room. 6. Create a DIY centerpiece using items like candles or seasonal fruits and vegetables. 7. Mix and match dining chairs for a more eclectic and personalized look. 8. Hang artwork or framed photos on the walls to add a personal touch to the space. 9. Use unique or unexpected materials for the dining table, like reclaimed wood or marble, to add visual interest. 10. Add decorative elements like curtains, window treatments, or a decorative mirror to complete the look. Creating a beautiful dining room doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. By choosing a color scheme, adding statement lighting, and incorporating personal touches like artwork or textiles, you can transform your dining room into a space that is both inviting and functional. With these 10 dining room decor ideas, you'll be well on your way to creating a dining room that will delight you and your guests. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you gallery of decorative dining room decor designs ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.